welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Hope you've been having a good day today. So, for this video, I'll be taking a bite of the key lime pie that my aunt bought for me at Kroger. Okay? So, now, first off, I'll have to open it. I got my scissors. And, okay? Now, it's the key lime pie is a classic American dessert known for tangy and sweet flavor, typical made with graham cracker crust and filling of key lime juice, sweet considered milk, and egg yolk. It's often topped with whipped cream and marinade. Crust, filling, topping. Okay? Now, some of my favorite pies are key lime pie, lemon meringue. Okay. I like chocolate pie as well, but I really like a lemon pie, key lime pie. Okay. And then probably some other one I like as well, but they don't come to the top of my head. Okay. Okay. So, my aunt, she bought it because I think because like it was on either they had it marked wrong or it was on sale or something. And my aunt is the type of person that when something is on sale or when they have something marked wrong, she'll buy it. Okay. I'll just buy something whenever I really want it. Okay. So, now, let me know in the comment section below before I open it and take a bite of it. Do you like lemon meringue pie? And what other kind of pie do you like? And what's your favorite pie? Okay. But if I had to say what some of my favorite, like my top three, it'd probably be like lemon meringue, key lime pie, and chocolate. Okay. I need to look up all a bunch of other different type of pies. I can do maybe my top 5 or top 10 pies. Okay. But those are probably like the top 3 that I would love to eat. Like, like Christmas, Thanksgiving, birthday, holiday and stuff. If I'm gonna get pie during my birthday or Christmas or Thanksgiving. And there we go. Okay, let's put the dirt over there. Let's see. It's kind of hard to open. So. And it said $14.99. So I don't know if you paid $15 for it, okay, or if you got it for like $7 or $8, or if it was $30 and then paid $15. I don't know, okay. But it did pretty big, okay. Wow, there's some whipped cream on the thing. You know what? I always like whipped cream on ice cream. And, the icing, the whipped cream, is always my favorite part of the cake. Mmm. I can eat that all by itself. There it is. Okay. Mmm. Now, you know what? To be honest, I think I like the, the whipped cream just as much as the pie itself. It's that good. Yeah. So if I did my if I did my top five favorite pies of all time, key lime pie would be up there. With lemon pie, lemon meringue, and chocolate. So I don't know how many I just named, like 4, 5, 3 to 4, something like that. Okay. I'm not a really big apple pie fan or cherry pie fan. I can eat those, but I prefer the one I make chocolate pie, lemon meringue, key lime pie. Those are my pies that I can go to. Okay. And I know that after I eat this, I gotta work out. I know if I eat this whole thing, I'll be big and fat. So, thank you. Have a nice day. And till next time, I see you in another video. Thank you and God bless you. Have a good rest of the day.